So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how to reset your Windows 10 to factory settings without losing your data and files and without installation disk. So let's begin. For resetting your PC, you have to go to your settings. Then you have to search for update and security. Here is the update and security. Then you have to click here. Then you have to search for recovery. See, this is recovery. You have to click here. See, it is written that reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. It is helpful when your PC is not running well. If your PC is not running well, it may help if you reset your PC. So for resetting your PC, you have to click on Get Started. See, there are two options. Keep my files. What it does is remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And the other option is remove everything. What it does is removes all of your files, apps and settings. And the other option, remove everything. What it means is removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. In my case, I want to keep my files, so I will click on keep my files. It is written that getting things ready. This won't take long. And now it is written that this PC was recently upgraded to Windows 10. If you reset this PC, you won't be able to undo the upgrade and go back to the previous version of Windows. What it means is my PC was recently upgraded to Windows 10. If I will reset this PC, I won't be able to undo the upgrade and go back to the previous version of Windows. I know that, so I will click on next. And now it is written that ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change settings back to their defaults and keep personal files and reinstall Windows from this PC, and it will also remove all apps and programs. It will reset my PC so I won't be able to record from the screen recorder. So I will now record from the camera. You have to now click on reset. It is now preparing to reset. I am now recording from the camera. and I am sorry for the bad video quality. It is now restarting. It will restart several times during the reset. And you can see that white color is coming in the right side of the PC screen. That is because of the wall light reflection to the PC screen. And I will now show you the rest part of the factory reset in the fast forward. The restarting process is now completed. It is now showing the last screen of the factory reset. And you can see that almost all apps that I had installed on this PC is been deleted. There are only pre-installed apps here. Now I had set up my PC. You are now seeing the PC screen from the screen recorder. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.